Hi, kitchen friends. Welcome to Jules Flavor Bliss, where we're dishing out deliciousness and spreading kitchen joy. From sizzling stir fries to decadent desserts. Join me for an easy home-style cooking adventures that will leave you craving more. Hit subscribe and let's cook up some magic together. Favorite mo rin ba ang Swedish meatballs? So in today's episode, I'll be sharing with you a copycat version of the famous IKEA Swedish meatballs. So, tada na! Then, ang ating breadcrumbs. Yan. I-pour na rin natin ang milk. Fresh milk ang gamit ko. Combine lang natin hanggang sa pwede rin naman yung ordinary breadcrumbs. So right now, gagamit tayo ng dalawang klase ng meat. Ground beef and ground pork. Actually, dito sa lugar ko, meron lang nabibiling combination ng dalawa. So, yun ang gagamitin natin. Now, i-chop naman natin ang ating flat parsley. This one. At gagamitin natin siya mamaya. After 30 minutes, ito na siya. Para siyang paste. Ang consistency niya, ganyan. Ito magbibigay ng pagiging juicy ng meatballs mamaya. Then, i-combine natin dyan ang ating ground beef and pork. Bakit nga ba kailangan ground beef and pork? Kasi kung beef lang ang ilalagay natin dito, alam naman natin na medyo may katigasan ng beef. While yung pork naman is may mga fats siya, di ba? So, pag pinakombine natin, mas masarap ang lasa. And at the same time, ang pork ang magpapalambot, ang magpapatender ng ating meatballs mamaya. So, magandang combination sila. Ground pork and ground beef. Okay. Yan. So, right now, i-add naman natin ang mga seasoning. Like pepper, ground black pepper. We have allspice or maggioram. Ating oyster. Then we'll add yung garlic and yung chopped shallots. And flat parsley. Let's crack an egg. And then we'll let's add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and then we'll continue to mix. And guys, as much as possible, kailangan nating i-test ang ating meatballs. So, yan. Ito yung sample natin. Almost. Sarap. So, ngayon, let's proceed. So, ayan. Mag-scoop na tayo. And then, form lang natin ang ball. But as you can see, medyo rough siya, no? Ito ang trick ng mga Italians dyan. I-dip lang nila yung kamay nila sa cold water. And then, ganyan. And as you can see, Look at that. At with that technique, parang napalibutan ng thin film yung ating meatballs. Look at that. Okay. Try ulit natin. Para uniform sila. Ganyan. Again. Dip nyo. Not so much. Yan. That will do the trick. And last but not the least, ayan. Inform ulit natin ang bowl with wet hands. Okay? Or maninikip dahil doon. Hindi natin kailangang i-dredge sa flour to. Okay. So right now, i-heat natin ang ating cooking oil. Tingnan natin ang ating meatballs. Medium heat lang ang kailangan natin para magkaroon siya ng magandang color mamaya. Okay. So, in the same pan, i-melt natin doon ang butter. And then, later on, i-combine natin ang flour. At ito yung tinatawag nilang roux. Mixture of butter and flour. We continue stirring. Mix lang natin maigi. At still in the medium-low heat. Para maiwasan natin ang pagkasunog nito. Now, let's add our broth. Beef broth ang gamit ko ngayon. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Then 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Mix lang natin maigi. Yan, natitikan na siya. Then, let's add pa tayo ng another teaspoon of soy sauce para sa color. Ayan. And let's add a dash of pepper. And voila! Ito na ang ating Swedish meatballs. Ayan. At kung nagkikrave ka sa Swedish meatballs, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng IKEA para matraffic, makipagsiksikan at pumila rin sa mga mahabang line. At sana itry nyo to, kitchen friends, dahil napaka-budget friendly. Dahil murang-mura siya. So until next, for another yummy and easy version on food. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. See you again. Please do take care. Stay well. God bless. Bye.